We'll see how this trades here. Again, I think we're going to see just a massive amount of volume between the 50 and the 200 day here, and we'll see. All right. All right, what else do we want to just take a quick look at here? Okay, EA, that's good. Lulu would be nice to get a rebound off of the drubbing that it took on Friday. Q's rebounded very, very nicely. I mean, what a big bounce back from the lows on Friday here, which was 169.34. So a very, very nice bounce back here. Remember, we have, our position is not until all the way out in April. Let me pop it up here real quick. We have the 176, 180 call spread.